Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are solving LeetCode question number 205 isomorphic string. It is a classic string problem that is perfect for practicing how to manage one-to-one mappings using hash map. What is the question? The problem asks us to determine if two strings S and D are isomorphic. Two strings are isomorphic if the characters in S can be replaced to get T. The rules are simple. Every consequence of a character must be placed with another specific character while keeping the same order. No two characters can map to the same character. A character can, however, map to itself. For example, egg and add are isomorphic, but fo and bar are not because O would have to map to both A and R. What will be the approach? To solve this, we need to ensure a bidirectional mapping. This means if E map to A, then A must also map back to E, and another character can map to A. We use two hash map M1 to store the mapping from S to T and M2 to store the mapping from T back to S. As we illustrate through the both string, similarly, we check if the current character in S has been mapped before. If it has and it does not match the current character in T, we return false. We do the same check for the character in T using our map, second map. If either has mapping, we store the new relationship in both maps and continue. What will is the time complexity? 0 n, where n is the length of the string. We only need a simple pass through in space complexity 0k, where k is the number of unique character in the string. Since the number of possible character is limited, this is often considered 0 1 in practical. Now let us go for the code. After that I will explain how the code work. I will explain how the code works. We start by declaring two unordered map char, comma char object M1 and M2. We use a for loop to iterate through the string using index I. Inside we grab C1 from Si and C2 from Ti. Now we check for exiting mapping. If M1 dot count C1 and M1 C1 not equal to C2, this check if C1 is already mapped to something other than C2. If so, we return false. If M2 dot count C2 and M2 C2 not equal to C1, this also that no two character from S map to the same character in T. If both check passed, we save the mapping M1 C1 equal to C2 and M2 C2 equal to C1. If we finish the loop without finding any conflicts, we return true. This is the solution for question number 205 isomorphic string. Thank you.